So I thought the house was rent ready. It is not rent ready. The walls in the dining room need to be color matched. Period. Two different colors, so we have to fix that. We need to remove the curtains. These blinds are actually fabric blinds, and they're stained, so we need to get these replaced. They are stained really bad. The ceiling in the living room needs to be color matched because it's a bit off. Also too, the fireplace needs to be cleaned. These windows all need installed blinds. The two windows need screens. They don't have any screens. This one does. We also need to remove that curtain rod. The curtain rod and the curtains need to go in the primary suite, and it looks like they need a screen here and a screen here. There's a screen there. Hooks need to be removed from the walls. In the primary bathroom, the spa tub needs to be deep cleaned. You need to get that corrosion out of there. And then it also looks like the jets need a deep cleaning. Also too, again, the curtain rods need to come down, and this window needs to be either frosted. It needs to be frosted for privacy reasons, so I need to get on top of that. Primary closet needs to be painted, and personal items removed. Again, this window at the toilet, in the toilet room, curtains need to be removed and frosted for the window. Air filters need to be replaced, and this register needs to be cleaned. It is quite dirty. This toilet seat needs to just be replaced. Again, personal items. This sticker needs to be removed from one of the bedroom doors. That light bulb needs to be replaced. Walls need to be color matched. Carpet needs to be cleaned. Remove personal items. This bathroom is actually really, really nice. The only thing in here is going to be a door stop. So we need a door stop installed. And we need the door touched up. But otherwise, pretty good. This third room, we just need to replace the light switch plates and the screws. This one, we need to secure the outlet and then replace the plate. Paint the closet and remove personal items. Final bedroom, we're gonna need to replace or remove the curtains and the curtain rod and the lights, and we also need to replace the wand for the blinds on that. In this last room, we also need to color match the ceiling around the vent. And this closet also needs a bit of a touch-up. But overall, it's not bad, but it's not rent ready. This unit needs to be professionally cleaned. Everything does. And then the carpets need to be steam cleaned. And I think we also need to handle lawn care. So yeah, not move-in ready.